welcome to my channel. Today's video is a super simple makeup look on this everyday beachy look right here. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I appreciate any feedback you guys have, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with my base, and what I'm going to do is go into the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set and just prime my face. Alright, we'll let that settle a little bit. I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. blending sponge and my IT Cosmetics CC cream. This is the oil-free matte CC cream, and it has SPF 40. Most CC creams should have that, so I just applied it directly to the sponge, and we will begin blending this onto the skin. So a CC cream is great for everyday wear. It's also good if you are going to be doing like a lot of outdoor activities, going to the beach, the pool, something like that, because most of them do have SPF. So it will already cover your skin in that matter. All right, make sure this is nice and blended. So as you can see, it just gives a little bit more coverage than my natural skin. I could go in and add more pumps, but I'm doing a very light everyday look today, and we are going to be using concealer on top of this, so it's not super crucial that everything is covered. We just want a little bit more coverage than our natural skin. So I'm going to be going into the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. This is a very intense concealer. That's why I chose this one, since we went with a lighter base. So I'm just going to apply this underneath my eyes. And I'm going to drag this pretty low today, just so we get lots of coverage. Apply a little bit to my lids. I've been liking to do this technique. I forget who I saw do this, but I've been applying a little bit of concealer to like the sides of my mouth and close to like the sides of my nose, and it really brightens up the center of your face. So I really like how that's been looking. A little bit on my chin, down my nose, and then do that weird triangle looking thing on my forehead. Then I'm going to take the same sponge. I'm going to spray this. I like how this spray with the same fixing spray. It just blends everything out really seamlessly and adds some even more hydration to the skin. Alright, once that's all done and we're a little bit more concealed, I'm going to go into pressed foundation powder. And this is the Wet n Wild Photofocus pressed powder in warm light. This is going to add even more coverage to our skin, but not make it look cakey. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and apply this everywhere. The skin, I'm going to go into the Milano Baked Bronzer in Soleil. This is a gorgeous golden bronzy color, and we are going to apply this and contour our skin as well. So I'm using the Real Techniques contour brush. And I like to start off right on my forehead. And then I bring it down to my cheek in that 3 shape motion. Down my chin. And contour my jawline, just like that. This is definitely a more, if you can see on the camera, it's a more orange tone bronzer. So if you're not into that, I would lean away from this one, but I think this is so pretty just for like a everyday summertime look. So just contour it up. All right, once you are all bronzed up, we're gonna stay with the bronzer and we're gonna go into an eyeshadow brush, pick up some of this, pop this into our crease and then our lower lash line just to add some dimension to our eyes. All right, after this, I'm gonna go into some highlight. This is the Lunch Money highlight. It's the SuperShock cheek highlight from Colourpop. I love these highlights. They are so gorgeous if you want like a glossy, wet, highlighted look. So highly recommend these. They are super affordable. I believe they're $8, so highly recommend them. So I'm going to pop this on the high points of my cheek, my nose, my cupid's bow, and then above under my eyebrows and then on my inner corner. So just highlighting everywhere. And I like to use my finger with these highlights just because it's like a, what kind of formula? Like a creamy formula. So they're easier than with your fingers than with a brush. Just like that. Like, look how awake we look now. We look so nice and glossy. Before I put on mascara, let me brush through my brows real quick after all this powder. Before we put on mascara, I'm going to set my face just so my mascara doesn't get all on my eyelids. So set with my same e.l.f. setting spray. Woo! Alright, we'll let this dry for a second. I guess while we're letting it dry, I will do lips. The Neutrogena Revitalizing Lip Balm. This also has SPF 20. Perfect for like those beachy pool days. And this is in, I wrote it down, Healthy Blush. So it's this really pretty like watermelon shade. And it's very similar to a chapstick, but it'll just add a little bit of color. See how nice and just bright that is. They have a bunch of shades in this line. I love this line for just like a healthy chapstick like pop of color. Now that we're almost dry, I'm going to apply mascara. This is the best drugstore mascara in my opinion. It is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. If you are going to pick up anything in this video, purchase anything in this video, this would be the thing to purchase. It is such a good mascara. And it ranges from $8 to $12 depending where you go. See how pretty it is. I love this stuff. Alright guys, so that completes this makeup tutorial. It's a super simple, quick pool day, beachy, everyday makeup look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and got some tips from it. Maybe got some products you might want to purchase and try out yourself. I hope this was easy and simple for you guys to follow. And please let me know if you use any of these techniques down below and if you pick up any of these products. I love hearing feedback from you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.